Good morning guys, in front of me is Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first you need to reach contacts, then find the one that you want to apply the profile picture to and tap on edit icon. Now click on camera here and you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me pick downloaded picture. And then you can crop it however you like, you can rotate it, just customize it as only you wish, tap on done then, and click on save. And that's it, that will be all. From now on this picture is assigned to Wednesday, and anytime she will be calling me, this profile picture would appear. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.